Today we'll see how quick and easy it is to install the aluminium balustrade from Multi-Metals. This style of install uses the swan neck fixing brackets, which can be fitted either side of a window for an internal rail or to posts, as we are showing here for a balustrade. The first step after measuring up is to fix the brackets to the wall or post. Fitting to our post is hassle-free using the grip nuts supplied. Simply line up and tighten. Once the brackets are in place, present the bottom rail to the bracket and fix. Again using the grip nuts which auto-align. No more fidgeting with awkward nuts and bolts. The bottom rail can be produced in standard lengths up to 6 metres or custom lengths up to 12 metres, so you can span multiple posts in a straight line. Once the bottom rail is in place, the grid can be presented and secured by the grip nuts. In this video we are demonstrating how the grid would be fitted in readiness for a top rail spanning multiple posts. Where the top rail spans only 2 posts, the grid will be supplied to you with the top rail attached, making the installation even quicker and easier. With the grid in place and the bolts securely tightened, it's time to present the top rail. Like the bottom rail, the top rail is supplied cut to length for your project. Align the grip nuts and simply present the top rail and secure the top fixing brackets. If the rail is supplied fixed to the grid, the job is complete. On a longer run, simply tighten the remaining bolts and enjoy the finished product, a balustrade which can be painted to any colour. Made from aluminium, our balconies and balustrades provide a solution which is much lighter than steel, while still meeting the relevant standards with strength delivered from its design, with the added benefit that it will not corrode and require no maintenance. All our products are manufactured in our premises, precision cut to size, so there's no need for any cutting, fabrication or welding on site.